Don't Make Me Think is a seminal book in the field of web design and usability. The author, Steve Krug, is a well-respected usability consultant who has worked with a variety of clients, from small startups to large corporations like Apple and Google. The book is widely regarded as a must-read for anyone involved in designing, building, or managing websites. The book's title, Don't Make Me Think, reflects its central theme, that a website should be so intuitive and easy to use that users don't have to think about how to navigate it or complete tasks. Krug argues that good web design should be self-evident, allowing users to focus on their goals and tasks rather than being distracted or confused by the design. The book is organized into three main sections: the basics, usability testing, and anatomy of a web page. Each section builds on the previous one, providing a comprehensive overview of how to design user-friendly websites. In the first section, the basics, Krug lays out his fundamental principles for good web design. He emphasizes the importance of clear navigation, meaningful labeling, and concise content. He also stresses the need for designers to put themselves in the shoes of their users and think about what they would want and expect from a website. Krug introduces the concept of the user's mental model, which is the user's understanding of how things should work based on their past experiences. Designers should aim to match the user's mental model as much as possible, making it easy for them to understand and use the website. Krug also emphasizes the importance of minimizing cognitive load, which is the amount of mental effort required to complete a task. Designers should avoid clutter and unnecessary complexity, presenting information in a clear and organized way. In the second section, usability testing, Krug explains why usability testing is important and provides tips for conducting effective tests. He argues that designers can't rely solely on their own intuition and expertise to create good designs. Instead, they need to test their designs with real users to see how they perform and get feedback on how to improve them. Krug provides guidance on recruiting participants for usability tests, creating test scenarios, and analyzing the results. He also stresses the importance of keeping the testing process simple and focused, so that designers can quickly identify and address any usability issues. In the final section, Anatomy of a Web Page, Krug breaks down the components of a web page and provides tips for designing each element in a user-friendly way. He covers topics such as navigation, forms, and page layout, providing examples of good and bad design practices. Krug emphasizes the importance of designing for mobile devices, which have become increasingly important in recent years. He provides guidance on how to design for smaller screens and touch interfaces, highlighting the need for simplicity and clarity. Throughout the book, Krug uses real-world examples to illustrate his points, drawing on his own experience as a usability consultant. He also provides a wealth of practical tips and advice, making the book a valuable resource for anyone involved in web design or development. One of the key takeaways from the book is the importance of designing for the user. Krug argues that designers should put themselves in the shoes of their users and think about what they would want and expect from a website. Designers should strive to make everything as clear and intuitive as possible, minimizing cognitive load and allowing users to focus on their goals and tasks. Another key takeaway is the importance of usability testing. Krug argues that usability testing is essential for creating user-friendly websites, and that designers should be constantly iterating and refining their designs based on user feedback. Overall, Don't Make Me Think is a must-read for anyone involved in web design or development. Krug's clear, concise writing style and practical advice make the book accessible and easy to understand, even for those with little or no background in usability or web design. In addition to its practical value, The book has also had a significant impact on the field of web design. Krug's emphasis on simplicity and clarity has influenced many designers and developers, and his approach has become a standard for user-centered design. However, it's worth noting that the book was first published in 2000, and some of its advice may be somewhat outdated in light of changes in technology and user behavior. For example, Krug emphasizes the importance of using conventional design patterns and avoiding innovative or experimental designs, but some designers argue that these types of designs can be effective in certain contexts. Additionally, while Krug touches on the importance of accessibility, the book does not provide comprehensive guidance on how to design for users with disabilities. This is an increasingly important issue in web design, and designers should be sure to consult additional resources on accessibility to ensure that their designs are inclusive and usable by all. Despite these limitations, Don't Make Me Think remains an essential read for anyone interested in web design and usability. Krug's insights and advice are timeless, and the book provides a solid foundation for designing user-friendly websites that meet the needs and expectations of users.